And how are you, sir? Nice to meet you.
My name is Ben.
What's your name?
Ben.
Pan.
Yeah, B-A-N.
Si Sir Pan. Yan, sir. We are going to Disneyland. How many minutes, sir?
About 20 minutes.
Approximately 40 minutes. 20. Where is the famous restaurant in Hong Kong?
Yeah.
What name? What name?
What name?
Like Jollibee. Like a McDonald's. Sorry.
May Jollibee nga din natin dito. But authentic.
Authentic.
Hong Kong cuisine.
I think we have like duck chicken.
Oh, chicken.
Yeah. Or duck.
Or the
Duck.
duck.
Ano bang tawag sa kanila sa duck? I don't know exactly the name, the duck.
You check internet.
Yeah, I will check it first.
Yeah. So many.
Yeah, so many.
Yeah.
I saw everywhere the duck.
This area low.
That's why I asking.
This area low.
Yeah. Duck. Hindi ba duck ang kinakain nila? Duck. I don't know exactly. This one, sir, like this. You eat this one like this. But similarities not the same exactly. Huh? Duck.
Yeah. You eat that.
Yeah. I will try to eat. What name?
This area, this Chuan low this shop. Maybe go to Tsim Sha Tsui Wangok.
Wangok?
Yeah.
Not here.
Low.
Parang kaunti daw dito ata. Jinsansu. Jimsasui.
Dala ka sa tubig. Wait mo. Busy street yan.
Kison roasted ghost. Jimsasui. I will take the picture.
Okay.
I will take picture first. Maybe after
This lamp, so many shop.
Okay.
Wangok, Tsim Sha Tsui,
But Quezon.
this lamp.
Quezon.
Yeah, this lamp. Just this shop.
Yeah, I will check.
This shop lamp. Yeah.
Okay. I will check later.
Yeah.
Thank you. Sorry for disturb you.
You check this. So
Okay.
many.
But
This shop is so
very near
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, this shop lamp I send to you.
Okay.
Okay, I was send to you.
Okay, thank you. Mga kainsan, ay talagang nauubusan tayo ng English. Ay, sa susunod ay tayo ano bang salita na rin dito? English o Chinese?
Merong Cantonese, Mandarin.
Mandarin.
Sabi nga ni Mehan kahapon. Marami daw dito.
Susunod mag-aaral tayo ng salita nila.
us up later.
You Kilo have book?
We have.
Oh, you have driver contact you.
Oh.
Okay.
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 Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. You send already? Okay sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Check this.
Agad ko ay. Nalimutan ko yung bag sa taxi.
Naniniwala na kami mabilis ka.
Ang bilis kong tumakbo. Grabe, hindi ko alam kung saan sa hahanapin eh. Ito mga kainsan oh. Ay naku, pagkakaula-ulaga ako ay. Hindi ko talaga alam kung saan hahanapin. Alam mo ang hakbang ko. Baka 3 nito. Talagang nahabol ko siya.
Alam mo kung magkano kung hindi mo yun nakuha. 2.5 each kid eh.
Bakit? Babayaran ko yun.
Babayaran mo, babalik sila eh. Babayad ka ng 2.5.
Grabe.
Times mo sa piso kung magkano.
Ate Shay. Alam mo ang hakbang ko na eh.
Tumakbo ni Papa.
Talagang sinigawan ko. Yay! Sabi ko. There's something inside.
Yung ano, makakontak mo naman siya sa WhatsApp.
Okay.
Kasi send mo.
What's up mga kainsan? Mga kainsan. Dito na po kami sa Disneyland. Yan, kasama po yung mga bata. Kami po ay nakatulog na. Yan. Ate Shane, anak.
Hello pa.
Nay. Si Mrs. po. Ito, bunso.
Hello pa.
Yan. Maganda naman mga kainsan. Malawak pala rin
Malawak ito. Kalapit nung circle.
Tara.
Andun yung castle.
Tara po. Saan? Ganda. Ang ganda Ate Shane. Ang ganda anak. Doon na sa bungad maganda. 4.6 ko na lang. Kaysa pipila daw po kami dito eh. Sino ba rin? Sino ba na anak aring kulay mais ang buhok? Sino? Rapunzel. Ayan, Rapunzel daw po siya. Si ano daw yan. Pero hindi ko kilala, limot ko na ang mukha. Yan, Rapunzel daw po rin. Dali anak. Magandang babae. Kaya lang yan ang banaswari ko na suot. At medyo mainit po ay. Nakapayong po tayo. Kahit tayo ay kulay galbok. Ito yun. Mas yan, pag po kayo pupunta din magdala po kayo ng payong.
Can me and Julia, can we get in our vlog?
Oh yes, of course.
Thank you.
My wife and daughter, she want to see you, Disney Princess.
Oh, it's so lovely to meet you. We'll have the best day ever.
Oh, dali anak.
We're like all together, of course. Perfect. Big smile for Pascal.
Okay, thank you. See you.
Can you take a picture of me?
All together.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Oh, dali. Tanggal ito yung payong mo ito eh.
So lovely to see everyone. Oh, have a look out for Pascal too. Perfect. All together, of course.
Okay, thank you.
Have the best day ever. So
Thank
lovely
you.
to see you all.
Oh.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you, mom. Kaisan, libre ang tubig din eh oh. Isang gana rin po ay ano eh, 150 pesos eh. Pag bibili ka ay ari libre oh. Iniinuman po ay